welcome everyone to Bridge the Gap, Step into the Ring, that is proudly powered by FASSET.
Yeah, I'm watching the rise, and I wouldn't say I'm shocked cause I'm hardly surprised. This one's for the ride, this one's for who knew I'd make it, just needed some time. This one's for my wife, could've left.
Hi, my name is Amanda. I'm a third-year audit trainee, and today I'm excited to hear from people who've walked the same path. So I just want to hear from others, like what was like the thing that like lit them on fire and got them ready for, I guess, the next steps after the big four letters CASA.
Different. I knew I was chosen, a breadwinner, but I'm soft-spoken, authentic like a...
So today you are stepping into the ring. This ring is not a ring of boxing gloves. It's not a ring of bright lights, even though we have the stage, but this is the ring of the CA journey that demands resilience, discipline, and a lot of wisdom. We are here because of the vision and belief of our partners, FASSET, Standard Bank, the Auditor General of South Africa, Align Pty Ltd, GCO Partners, SAICA, as well as SAIGA. They have invested in you, not only as professionals, but as future chartered accountants who are the torchbearers of our nation of tomorrow.
Feet up, 10 toes, stay G'd up. I'm trying to get that type of wealth like a house on the hills.
Keep your eyes open, speak to as many people as you can, make the most of today. Today's all about you.
Don't hit me with no weak stuff.
We're passionate about three things: people, performance, and progress. And in this room and throughout today's event, that's exactly what's happening.
The theme Step into the Ring couldn't be more relevant because it's the truth. The world you are stepping into is no longer a classroom. It's a ring. It's competitive, it's demanding, and like any fighter, you'll need the skill, the strategy, and the courage to get up when you've been knocked down. When we invest in you, we invest in the stability and the growth of the South African economy, because you will be the one signing those deals, leading those audits, and shaping policy in the years to come.
For the grind, I knew it would happen, just had the strength in my mind. To the videos, they thought I was a black guy. It's hard to get over. I'm foreigner in the sport, but I'm fully devoted. I don't take it for granted that the door's been open. I knew I was different. I knew I was chosen, a breadwinner, but I'm soft-spoken.
The reality with confidence is just that we all have our own way of how we've defined it. We all have our own way how we choose to almost relate to this concept, right? This would have been experiencing someone that we think, you know what, that's quite a confident individual, right? And then, or whatever our definitions are, to say, look, this is what I think is required to be confident. Demystify confidence, right? Just almost help you just look at this concept a bit differently and just break away from the shackles of how we've currently chosen to see and believe this concept. Trust your abilities, trust your qualities, trust the decisions that you are making.
I'm trying to get that type of wealth like a house on the hills.
Bridge the Gap. It's been an awesome and a privilege to be in a room full of aspiring CAs and also qualified CAs and other professionals.
I've been learning a lot, especially on the topic about confidence. Sean spoke to us about confidence, how we need to elevate our confidence, especially in the working environment, how confidence can align with our personal growth.
Also just to connect with fellow trainees and fellow executives in their respective fields, and I would definitely recommend that next year you find yourself right here.
My most light bulb experience today will be finding my why, as I have lost my why into this profession. I've gotten to learn about the opportunities that they are getting and how I can also access those opportunities.
I got to learn more about confidence. I got to learn more from Standard Bank about the professional account, the benefits they have, how to manage my finances. And also I got to learn from Lesego Ranku, which is an industry giant. She taught us a lot of things. There were a lot of nuggets that we learned, especially about being a professional, about raising your voice, about being out there.
And I was just able to be reminded about why it's so important to have self-awareness and to trust and believe in myself. And that, you know, the journey has its ups and downs, but when you get down, you need to pull yourself back up and believe that you can do it.
So I would definitely recommend this experience to any trainee out there. Come guys, get in the ring with me. Let's go!